In front of me is Xiaomi 15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to tap on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then tap on face unlock and enter your current lock-in method. Hit start. Wait 5 seconds to choose next in attention pop-up, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then name your face data, hit done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can start face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!